welcome to today's tutorial where we are going to be doing Popmart keychains. These are really popular right now. Popmart products are trending, so a lot of the products that they sell are figurines, which instead of just sitting on a shelf could be used as a keychain. So we're going to be using this little drill, keychain, chains, and some charms that all are from Amazon. And so you want to grab your little drill that you got from Amazon and kind of poke a little hole very gently. You don't have to apply any pressure, and this is going to be where you screw on your eye pin. I believe that's what they're called, and it's super easy. I'm a beginner at these, so if I can do it, you can do it too. And these are really cute for your bags and your purses. So you just screw on the eye pin. So these pins come with the drill if you get it from Amazon, and you just screw it on super tight and secure, and this is going to be what attaches your chains and your actual keychain. So I got some stars and some hearts from Amazon, and I actually like the stars better. So they come with a lot, so you'll have enough to use on all of your figurines. That way they're not just sitting on a shelf. And so I use these little tweezers, tongs, not sure, and I just open each section and attach it to the pin. I would recommend you have magnifying glasses for these steps because I have a really good vision. I don't have any issues with my eyesight, but it is kind of hard to see when you are opening the pins and the chains and then closing them back up. These are the chains that we're going to use, by the way. I do 2 chains on each figure, and so when you are closing these back up, you want to make sure that they are closed 100% and safely. That way the chain doesn't open up on you and your figure doesn't fall off when you have it on your purse. I just attach it to the top like this. And again, I'm going to do 2, and I do about 2 to 3 charms on each chain just to kind of make it look pretty. And I try to color coordinate with the colors that are on the figurine. So this is actually really fun to do. This tutorial is 5 minutes, but it actually takes me 10 to 15 minutes to complete one of these. So if you really want to put some use to your keychains, this is a great idea for that. These are the charms that I got from Amazon, and they come with so many different colors and designs, and so I just kind of go and pick out at least 5 or 6 that I would like to use that will match the figurine, and it really makes it look really nice. So here we go, and you just kind of slide that charm into your chain where you opened that section and kind of go from there. So I do one at the top, in the middle, and at the end of the chain if I can. As you can see, this is a really easy process. This is what my first 3 keychains ended up looking like. I'm really excited to put these on a bag. If you have any questions, please let me know. All of the items that I used will be in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe.